Queen Cleopatra is an expert with art temptation by perfumes. Who is Queen Cleopatra VII? Cleopatra VII stooped from family Macedonian ancient Hikhmet Egypt, what approaching from 300 years ago. Found at King Ptolemy I, which is Sunday leaders Macedonians in Alexander's army the largest, which it devolved mechanism state Egypt after with the death of Alexander. It was founded family Ptolemaic. He got married Ptolemy I from Queen Bernice I is the same assets Macedonian also, and they gave birth King Ptolemy II, where I continue from after him his children and his grandchildren kings in mating from their sisters females according to for habits this age. Arriving for Queen Cleopatra VII and her brother Ptolemy XIV are conservatives on purity their race Macedonian during all this is amazing period timeliness. Factory perfumes. I studied Cleopatra chemistry, and it was believed strongly smells not just for purposes cosmetic, but rather also instrument to persuade. And published Cleopatra perfumes on cloth her ship before first meeting she has with Marcus Antoninus, until he is its effect on him strong. And it was also possess a factory for perfumes, there are its ruins near the sea the Red and Iserius. Appear Cleopatra, in all the pictures which put eyeliner the eyes. And it has proved research historians that this the lotion he was component from four material different and why, be just for purposes cosmetic, but rather also for purposes healthy related with protection eye from infection, especially in periods flood Nile and spread bacteria and infections. And from exciting interesting that it in when understood Cleopatra, thanks to its culture benefits health for lotion beautifying eyes, he was most Egyptians they think that it type from magic. Aromatic extracts. From habits Cleopatra the beautiful, that it she was perfumed sail her boat with conclusions that you love her, so it was breezes precede news her coming, as she was cover her bed with papers roses. She is expert with art temptation and conversant with knowledge aromatherapy, because she was used oil roses the favor that he is cooling down nerves, and it is granted self-tranquility and peace. That's what a statement from Secrets her beauty aromatic, please on her beauty breathtaking, and her femininity tyrant. She was sent perfume Cleopatra, attractive no resist, and yes person inhale it's